Welcome to Robotic Tips. In this video, let's focus on testing physics interactions using a UR robot in NVIDIA Isaacsim 5.1. Launch Isaacsim. Click Create Robots Asset Browser. Find UR5E. In the varied options, select below Physics, Sensors, Robotic. Now you can click on Load as Reference. You can just click on Play to check. There is a slight mismatch, so go to Robot Gripper Joints under Joints. Change the local rotation 0 x to 0. Play again. Now it is fixed. You can proceed. Save the stage. Next step is to add a ground plane and a cube inside the gripper fingers. Go to Tools, Physics and Physics Inspector to enable Physics Inspector window. Click Create, Mesh and Cube. Adjust size of the cube and keep it inside the grippers. Go to Create Physics and Ground Plane to add a ground plane. Click on Play to check whether the cube is fine. Click on the cube, Add Physics, Rigid Body with Collision Presets. Colliders are added to the cube. Click on Play, you can see the rigid body properties. Click on UR5E in the stage window and click on the button. Now you will be able to control finger joint using the slider. Now change the shoulder lift joint to lift the cube. So using physics engine, the robot is able to grasp the cube and lift it. As you observe, the cube responds to contact forces, collisions, and gravity in real time. This setup helps you understand how physics properties like rigid body dynamics, joint movement, and collision interactions behave in simulation. Now you can test your pick and place algorithms in Isaacsim. Thanks for watching.